When taking a sample, we want to perform good sampling methods and avoid the bad ones. One bad method is called convenient sampling. This is when we choose participants because it's convenient to do so, rather than doing that in some scientific manner. So here's some convenient sampling. Restaurant comment cards, you're probably familiar with those. Radio call-in polls. Interviewing our friends and coworkers. Catching people right after they viewed a movie. You probably had somebody approach you after a movie and ask for your opinion. Now let's look at the good scientific sampling methods. Simple random sampling, systematic sampling, cluster sampling, and stratified sampling. A simple random sample chooses a sample of size n in such a way that every sample of size n has an equal chance of being chosen. Suppose I want a random sample of 20 plants. I can't just choose a row. I have to randomly choose different plants all over this field in order to get a simple random sample. In a systematic sampling, we have a list of our subjects, which we call a sampling frame. We randomly choose our starting point, and then we choose every nth person as part of our sample. Suppose we want to interview the people in the stadium. We have numbered the seats. We're going to start at seat 233, and we'll choose every 30th seat. Once we have them all, that will be the people that we interview. In cluster sampling, we're going to randomly choose clusters and then interview everyone in a cluster. Or we can randomly choose a number of people within a cluster that we have chosen. Clusters are often similar in size, and it's often done when we have to save on cost or transportation. Those surveying people for the U.S. Census can't possibly interview everyone, so they have clusters of neighborhoods or districts. They go to these districts and try to interview everyone in the district. This saves on time and transportation. Stratified sampling is done when we have different groups of varying sizes, and we want to choose representatives from each group. So suppose at a certain orphanage, 80% are male and 20% are female. But I suspect the two genders are treated differently, so I'd like a sample that's 50% male and 50% female. I would use stratified sampling to accomplish this.